Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a TjMaxx and an Amazon haul for you guys. It's not a lot of things, but I still wanted to share. So the first three things I want to show you guys are 3 mugs that I picked up from TjMaxx, and I am obsessed and I cannot wait to drink coffee out of them. You guys know I love me some mugs. So I got this one. It says Kiss Me, and it has a super cute little heart handle. You guys, how cute is that? Perfect for Valentine's Day. And then I got this one, you guys, because it reminds me of the Maggie Holmes collections. You know, the little swans, super popular. I love the size. I hate mugs that are super tight on the top. I feel like I can't breathe when I'm drinking my coffee. But how pretty is this? Love it. And then I got this one, you guys. It's not my favorite over here, but it's not as small. How cute is she? It's a little mermaid. Look at that, you guys. Isn't she so cute? Look at her face. I love the detail. So these were $4.99 each, I think. So those are the 3 mugs that I got. As you can see right here, I picked up 2 wrapping papers. I got this cute avocado one. It's like hot pink and little avocados. It was $2.99. And then I got this one from Cynthia Rowley, and it's these cute little kitties. You guys see the little kitties and the little hearts? Also perfect for Valentine's Day. Those are the only 2 rolls I got. And then, you guys, I found... Well, let me show you guys real quick what I picked up from Amazon. And then I'll get to the last item from TjMaxx. I picked up this pack of 250 digital white cardstock paper. Just because I ran out and I didn't want to go to Walmart. So I just ordered this from Amazon and I got it in the mail like literally the next day. So you get 250 sheets and it's just like this. It's not 110. It's only 65. Which is perfectly fine for me. For what I need it for. And let me try to make room here somewhere. And then I also picked up this computer graphics acetate paper. You get 6 sheets, and it's just because I want to make some shakers and I don't have any acetate. I had a whole bunch and I don't know where it's at, so I don't feel like looking for it, so I picked that up. And then I picked up these mats that I can use on my Cricut, and you get 3 in a pack, and it was like 10 bucks I think, which I think is a great deal. And you can use this for, I think, Cricut, the Silhouette, and there was like another one. So that's the name brand, you guys can see. Sorry about the lighting, right there. So I picked that up, and then, you guys, I found, you guys, I showed you, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but I showed you guys that I had picked up the neon colored Kate Spade boxes for my room. And I found this like marble floral. Obsessed, you guys. Look at this. This is the tiny one because I'm not going to be able to fit the other ones in frame. But if you want to see what they look like, definitely go check me out on Instagram. I have it on my story. How beautiful is this pattern? So I got all 3 of them. The small one is $7.99. The medium is $9.99. And then the larger one is $12.99. Look at that. I love these for storage. So when I saw this print, I had to pick it up. So cute. I am so happy and I cannot wait to fill it. Oh, and these 2 other things that I forgot to show. I picked up these super cute little Valentine's Day candy corns. Those are my favorite candies on Halloween, and when I saw them Valentine's Day version, I had to pick them up. And these were only $3.99. And then last but not least, it's the Mary Mary little cupcake liners for Valentine's Day. I have a bunch of these, but these are so cute for V-Day, to do rosettes, to share, just to have, because we're like shopaholics and we need everything that we really don't. But yeah, you guys, that is my haul. Oh no, I keep forgetting things. What's wrong with me? This is also from Amazon. I refilled on some ATG tape, and then I found these on the clearance section. These are super cute, you guys. There's some green like wireless headphones, mint green, and they were only $13. And I'm not a big headphone person, so I thought that $13 wasn't too bad. And they turned out to be pretty good quality. Look how cute. So now when I lay in bed, I don't have to worry about no wires, and I could use these to like listen to my movies or YouTube videos or whatever. But yeah, you guys, now I am completely done. But I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.